Okay, in this example, we came up with two equations, okay, and we want to solve this by elimination. The first step in elimination is we need to check to see if any of the coefficients of any of these variables are the same. Well, what's the coefficient of C in the first equation?
13.
And the second one?
8.
Are those the same?
No.
No.
So
What about the second coefficient?
They're the same.
Coefficient of m is 2, and the second one is 29. Are any of these coefficients the same?
Yes.
So we are going to choose C, and we're going to make the coefficients of C the same. Does it matter if I make the coefficients of m the same? No, but let's just choose one variable. So I'm going to multiply 13 times 8 to give me what?
104.
104. And that means I have to multiply 8 by what to give me the same thing?
13 equals 104.
Good. If I multiply one term by 13, what do I have to do with every other term in the equation?
By 8.
So I'm going to multiply the first equation, everything by 8. So 2 times 8.
60.
47 times 8.
Can everyone be quiet, please?
376. Now we need to multiply the second equation. Everything needs to be multiplied by 13. Whatever you do to one term, you have to do to every single term. What's 29 times 13?
377.
377m. Thank you, Sam.
No problem, miss.
And 140 times 13 is what?
20.
1,820. Good. Now we've made the coefficients of C the same. Do both of these coefficients have the same sign, or do they have different signs?
Different.
Good. They're both positives. They're the same sign. In order to eliminate them, how do I get rid of 104C from 104C? Subtract. Okay? That's gone now. So I need to subtract every single term from each other. So 376 take away 1,820 is going to give me what? Thank you. Negative 1,444. We need to subtract 16m minus 377m. Pravina. Positive or negative? Negative 361m. What I've done here is I've eliminated my variable C, and I'm only left with one variable. Can you solve this equation now?
Yes. You can
Good. Now I need to isolate m. I have negative 361m equals negative 1,444. How do I isolate m?
Multiply by 361.
Divide by negative
361.
to cancel this out, which means I have to divide the right side by
Negative 361. Negative and negative equals positive.
Good. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. What's the final answer? 4.
4.
Good. Now, we haven't finished solving this system. Okay, we're not finished. We found m, but how many variables were given in the original equation? 2. We had a C and we had an m. So
and now we found out m, so we need to find
we can choose either equation to solve for C. We'll choose any of the equations. We'll just use the first one. 13C plus 2m equals 47. Now that I know m, I can just plug in the value of m and solve for C. 13C plus 2 times 4 equals 47.
It's a horrible color, miss. Thank you.
Okay, and now I want to solve for C. Okay.
13C
13C equals 39. Divide both sides by 13. C equals 3, and I have both answers here.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.